Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to create this professional logo with PixelLab. Alright, to get started, let me rename this. This is going to be T. Alright, now I need to change the font. Let me increase the font size. Okay, I click on good. Let me zoom it. Okay, now let me change the font. I need to change the font. I'm going to use this font. I click on good. Let me increase it. I think this is okay. I have to duplicate it. So this one is going to be S. Alright. Let me resize this. Let me move to padding. Alright. I think this is okay. Now for the T, I need to draw an object, which is this object. The reason why I'm drawing an object over it is just to make it an object, nothing more or less. Alright, I'm drawing an object over it so that it will become an object, so that it will not be a text anymore. So let me merge two of them. That's good. Have you seen what happened now? Yes. So right now, let me change the color. I move to color, enable color. It's going to be a black color. Click on good. Let me zoom out. Okay, let me resize it. I think it's okay like this. Alright, for the S, let me bring the S upward. Alright, for the text, let me move to padding. I think this is good. Let me bring it down. Let me move to T. Okay. Let me bring this one over here. I think it's okay like this. Now let me move to position. Okay, let me reduce it to 1 pixel. I think it's okay like this. Alright, what I will do now is that this S, now I have to make it an object so that I can set it very well. I have to make it an object. Let me zoom in. Let me make it an object. I'll move over here. I will merge two of them. Yes, I merged two of them. Alright, now it's now an object. It's no longer a text anymore. I can't edit it again. So what I will do now is that I have to bring it close. I have to resize it. Let me move to position and move it backward. No, it's too much. Okay. What I will do now is that I need an object which I will use to cut some part of this S. So I bring an object, which is this one. Let me give it black color. I click on good. Let me zoom in. So that I will see what I'm doing clearly. Okay, let me make use of position. I think it's okay. I have to resize it. Let me make use of position. Oh, it's too much, it's too much. Let me set it off. Okay, I think this is okay. We have to duplicate it, so I was going to, we have to make use of it downward. So let's copy it and bring it down over here. This one have to come down. Okay, let me bring this one up. Let me bring it down again. I think this is good. Now let's merge 3 of them. Let's erase the color, the black color. Let me pick the black color. I click on good. So what we do is that you have to increase the tolerance. When you are done, you click on good. So what we'll do now is that even though that we have erased the color, the object is still there. Have you seen it? The black object is still there. So in order to remove the black object, we need another object. So we need to merge it with another object so that it will become an object. Okay, let me merge 2 of them. So have you seen it? The black object has been removed automatically. We're almost done. So what we're going to do now is that we need another shape, which is going to be this one. Let me enable the color. The color will be black. Let me zoom out. Alright, so let's move to rotate. Let's rotate it 360. Let me bring it down. Let me resize it. Let me resize it. Okay, this is good. Alright, so what we're going to do now is that we need another object. It's going to be black. I click on good. Let me zoom in. Okay, this side is okay. Let me move to this side. I have to bring it out. With the help of position, let me bring it down. I think this is good. So what we're going to do now is that we have to merge 2 of them. So when you're done, let's crop it. Let's bring it down. I think this is okay. We have to copy it. This one is going to be white color. Enable color. Give it white color. With the help of position, let me set it properly. you resize it. Okay, this is good. Let me reset it. Let me set the position very well. Alright, this is good. So what we are going to do now is that we're going to merge two of them. When we merge two of them, we need to crop it so that we're going to cut off the unwanted part. Now let's erase the color, which is the white one. Okay, the white one, it has been picked already, so let's increase the tolerance. Alright, let's bring it down with the help of position. Alright, this is good. Now what we need to do there is that even though that we have erased the color, you've seen it, the white object is still there. We just make it transparent. So we need to add another object there so that we will merge it with it. So to do that, we bring another object to add its color. So let's merge two of them. Alright, have you seen it? We're almost done. Now we need to add textures. You select this one. Let's add a texture there. I'm going to select this texture. Select the T. So let's add a texture there. I'm going to add this texture. Have you seen it? The texture did not appear in T. So what we are going to do there is that let's delete it. The texture did not appear in T because T is not an object now. So what we're going to do there is that we need to add an object there. So let me give it black color. So let me zoom it so that I will not make any mistake. Let's merge two of them. Alright, when you are done the T, let's bring the T downward. Let me zoom out. So now let's add texture on T. Now we'll move to S. Let's add a texture in S. You have to crop it. Let's move to texture again. Let's increase the scale. You click on good. We're almost done. So now let's merge the three. You merge them. Let me zoom out. Okay, let's resize it. Okay, this is good. So let's move to image size. I have to put it in YouTube thumbnail. Let me change the background. Move to gallery. I'm going to select this image. You click on good. Now let me add 3D shape here. I enabled it. You put it in oblique. Let the scale be 1. the rotation angle will be there. Now let's increase the darkening. When you are done, you click on good. We move to shadow. You enable shadow. Let's reduce the blur effect. When you are done, you click on good. Now you move to emboss. You enable your emboss. You bring it down here. So you have to make some settings here until it's okay. I think it's okay like this. You click on good. Alright, let's move to relative position so that it's going to be at the center. Click on good. When you are done, you click on save. You save as image. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, click the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos.